In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create data flow diagram in Draw.io. So in order to do that, we first need to head over into our drawio.com, which is their site. As you have noticed, you can just describe the diagram that you wish to use right here and then click onto the start. It requires no login or registration, and it uses OpenAI to generate diagrams. So on this case, let's describe our diagram. So since you want to use or create a data flow diagram, let's input right here this particular prompt. Once you have inputted right here your prompt, proceed to click on this generate right here. Then this will open in here this new tab that will allow us to actually see our diagram. Do take note as well that your JavaScript needs to be turned on so we can actually generate our actual leads right there or our actual diagram. So just wait for this, and as you can see here it is right here. So it has given us this, which is kind of an elliptical design. If you think that there's something wrong with this, what you can do is you can just proceed to change out some things. Like for example, you can move things around, add in here some more options, and change out the pipelines and workflow for this particular diagram. You can also change out the colors as well as the text by just double clicking the text right here. You can edit that, change the font color, background color, word wrap, font style, as well as font size. If you're indeed satisfied with everything, proceed to click on this file and then either save it or export it as one of these file types. You can also share it to people by clicking onto the share option, and then you need to connect your Google Drive. So in that way, you can actually share it with people and then collaborate with it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.